It's a 2018 Honda Odyssey. Pack up the family and hit the road in this ultimate vacation machine. Bluetooth and USB audio interface keep everyone entertained. Rear privacy glass keeps everyone screened, and multiple airbags and latch anchors in all second and third row seats keep everyone safe. So does intelligent traction management and vehicle stability assist with traction control. Cruise control makes traveling easier. Climate control makes traveling more comfortable. And the Eco Assist system makes traveling more efficient. This isn't just a minivan, it's a family oasis. Test drive it today.
Rivertown Honda, just 1 mile west of the Rivertown Crossings Mall in Grandville, or online at rivertownhonda.com.